Come on. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Joe Waddell's YouTube channel. And today we're actually gonna go around to a couple of my favorite ponds. I waited for a little later so I know I can park there for free. And we're gonna see what we can catch. I actually got to try out my new rod that I haven't tried out yet. I mean, it's the exact same one that I used to have, just a little bit longer. So it's gonna be about the same, but you know, hey, a reason to go out and go fishing and make a video about it. So let's get to it. Okay, I almost forgot to. Today's comment of the day is going to be put down below right here, so thank you whoever you are, I really appreciate it. I'm filming these ahead of time and doing 2 videos ago, so I don't have to worry about doing these intros. And yeah, make sure you guys like and comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already for your chance to be featured in the next comment of the day. Okay, so we're here at one of my favorite ponds, scenic wise, to actually fish. I've never caught a fish out of here, but I know they're in here. I've tried it only a couple times, and today we're a little more serious. Brought it all with me, hoping to actually get something out here. We'll see. All right, so today we're gonna start with the jig. Got a little saucy swimmer tailing on the back, and I have confidence in this one, especially after all the rain, how dark the water is, and how hot it is. There's a couple factors here. Also, probably don't even notice, but this was 40-pound test, and now we swapped it out to 15, so should be looking a little better in that regard. Oh, there's a little guy right there. I didn't even see him. Literally right in front of me. He's checking out the bait, the lure. Oh, it's a little bluegill. That's kind of funny. At least I think it's a bluegill. I don't know. You can tell me if I'm wrong. But that's pretty funny. I didn't realize it was chasing it. A little guy going for this. He even nibbled at the tail. Did he get it off? No. It's got a little nibble on the tail. It's pretty funny though. There's a bunch of little guys swimming right there, right in front of me. Look at him. So you can just see him checking it out every time. There's 2 of them. Alright, I've used almost this whole pack. This is the last one that I have, and haven't caught anything with them, so here's to hoping the last one does the charm. Alright, last one, because I tried to get fancy with the other one and I ripped it, so here's to hoping. The only problem is like doing slow reel. I just constantly keep getting caught on something. Thought that was a fish for a minute. I got excited. More seaweed? There's so much vegetation in this pond. Well, I guess technically it's a reservoir, so I guess it's not really a pond, it's a reservoir, but let's try to see how far I can get it out towards the lily pads. Pretty much right there. We're gonna let it sink and slow. Nope. We're just gonna let it sink and just let it slow roll in. While we constantly get caught on everything. Look at this, a hold straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crazy. This is why kayak fishing here would be much better. I really want to go check out that cove that's over there. Now that would be pretty cool, I feel like. Definitely catch some little fish in there. Maybe we'd switch to like a spinnerbait or something. Hopefully with how dark it is, get a little more luck. That or some kind of like crankbait or something like that. Got a couple options. I saw something explode all the way out there in the cove. Like, that was intense. There's little things in here that are jumping. And I've left the camera off, you know, to let it cool down. Because apparently that's the thing that it can heat up and turn off. But I wonder if this might be a mistake. No, I got it out, but probably nothing that easy area to be able to fish. Sheesh, it's hot today. Oh, well, looks like we lost a swimmer at the end. Now we got clickbait. Hoping after the rain, with how dark it is, a little bit of sound will help, you know, get the attention. My God, it feels insanely hard to reel though. Yeah, I knew it. Had to be stuck on something. Literally, this is what happened on drop. Yeah, really, yeah, got caught on all that. That's crazy. Let's try that again. There we go. More seaweed. More seaweed. This vegetation is actually out of hand. Might just switch to the worm. No way. Even more. It's like 4 casts in a row. It's weeding the pond. Or the reservoir. Yeah, we're going to the worm. We go 6 casts in a row. Had like 2 clean casts and that's it. Bringing out the big guns with the good old Mojo Senko. That's how I feel right about now. Even on Senko. Oh man. I think there's a little turtle somewhere around here. Some peek his little head out. So I love this spot. Even if I haven't caught any fish here, it's just, I don't know, super scenic. I mean, because you have the reservoir and then right behind me, you have Herring River, which you guys saw the video of. See how gorgeous that river is. Haven't caught anything on either of them, but man, do they make nature look gorgeous. So we may not be catching anything, but at least it looks nice. Bugs are going insane too, just biting my arms and my legs. It's kind of cool. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but fog coming out down there too on the far end of the reservoir. This is the clouds going over it alone. It feels like it dropped at least like 10 degrees. Crazy how much stuff can change in like 5-10 minutes. Not like fast. Probably cast it like 1 or 2 more times before switching into a spinnerbait. And probably call it after that. It was good to know I got a spot where I could bring my own fish, but definitely wouldn't do it at this spot. I'd probably do it over there where the beach is a little cleaner farther up. I don't know why I always forget about this place. Probably because I never catch anything, but normally I probably wouldn't even waste my time coming here anymore with how many times I've been here and caught nothing. But felt like doing a little scenic video and giving it another shot because I know people have caught stuff out here, so just really wanted to try, but it's probably mainly just with the kayak, like over in the cove or maybe over there. I know over there is not too good because it's over by my house, another spot you can go. Too many people are always there though because it's a herring run. So I never go over there to fish. But it is where I drop my kayak to go in there. There's like a little fish following it and that's about it. Come on. Oh, no. Come on, you dropped it. Come on. Did I get caught in seaweed? Okay, maybe we keep the worm on for another minute. Man, if it wasn't for the seaweed. Oh. The vegetation screwed me. I finally got a bite. And then I probably got hooked on it and it was like, hey, wait a minute. All right, we gotta put it out there again. Come on. Oh, so close. It was so close. I felt it and then the veggies messed me up, man. Darn veggies. Was I not hungry anymore? No, but the turtle keeps popping his little head up. The thing was right as I was saying I was gonna get rid of the worm. Now I almost feel like I can't. Maybe we go back. Something just knocked it. Right as I was about to say, maybe we go back to the Senko. Okay, so we were fishing over there. This is a good spot where you could bring your dog to go swimming or fish. And then we're gonna try it down here. I haven't fished over here, so let's see what it's like. This looks more promising, honestly. Birdhouse on that tree. Put it in the cove. There's another birdhouse over there. Huh. So in the middle of this calming, beautifully scenic area, I was just sitting here thinking to myself, it'd be really cool if you guys could like and comment down below any thoughts or anything like that you guys have. And if you like the video and you want to see more of it, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Appreciate it. You guys are the best. It's kind of crazy how like an hour ago it was sunny and like 80. Now it's 80 and super cloudy, but it feels much cooler. There's also no wind before too. It just kind of came out of nowhere. Really nice though. Getting smooth with it though. Can barely even tell that I'm still a rookie with the bait caster. Oh, it's kind of cool. You can actually see the mist going across right here. And like I said before, that's why I love this place. Even if you're not catching fish, it's still gorgeous. This rod feels much better than the other one. Oh, that's so weird to try and look at the water without my glasses on. I didn't realize how not see-through it is. That's kind of nuts. And it looks like all the wind is kind of pushing everything back there. So I'm kind of hoping being over here, tossing it right over there, I'll catch something. Like I said before, I've never really fished this spot, and if I have, it was years ago. And I highly doubt I even knew what I was doing back then, so. Got it right on the edge of the grass tank. Ew. It's kind of crazy how often people come out here to kayak, canoe. You don't see any of them fishing though. I mean, I heard a guy literally probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Actually, it would have been a month ago, because at the very beginning of the YouTube video, talking about he was out here fishing and actually was catching stuff, but that was a month ago in June, so who knows? The place was literally spot on where I wanted it. Look at that. You wouldn't even know that I just started using a bait caster. The bullfrog over here. There's a bunny too. All right, just for fun's sake, because this was my first ever fishing lure I loved to throw and would always catch fish on when I actually learned how to fish. Looks good. Thought we caught something. Nope. Just some more. This stuff is gross, whatever it is. Dude, what is this stuff? It's almost like braided itself. Oh no, man. Look like spinach. And we've now been out here for 4 hours and haven't caught a thing. Sad news is we're running low on the GoPro and we're running low on time, so we might just call it when the GoPro dies in like 2 seconds. Especially with the mosquitoes, man. Mosquitoes came out. They're in my face right now. All right, 2 more casts. This one and 1 more, because the bugs are in my face now and not even letting me fish. And 3% on the GoPro. Well, that's gonna do it there, guys. So, okay, 1% battery left. All right, so that's gonna do it, guys. Sadly, we didn't catch anything, but we gotta try the new rod. Really liked it. I could definitely actually feel just even a slightest difference between my other one, and I love it. We still had a good day, super scenic, super nice out. Sun went down, got nice and misty and cool out. The wind came out, it was nice. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. Sorry I couldn't catch anything for you today, but it's all right, and I'll see you guys in the next one.